The black screen of death is stressful for iPhone users, especially after the iOS 18 upgrade. On the iPhone 16, even if it makes sounds, the screen can stay unresponsive. Don't worry, in this video, we'll share 8 quick solutions for all iOS devices. Let's get started. Part 1. What causes iPhone black screen of death? Hardware issues. A black screen may indicate hardware damage. Visit an Apple store. Software fault. A bad iOS update could be the cause. App crashes or low battery. An app crash or low battery might also lead to a black screen. Check these first. Part 2. How to fix iPhone 16 black screen of death. Fix 1. Charge your iPhone. The most common cause of the black screen of death is a drained battery. Connect your iPhone to a charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Use the original USB cable or charger for best results. Fix 2. Check your iPhone's brightness. Method 1. Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner. Find the brightness slider sun icon and adjust it. Method 2. Settings. Open the Settings app. Select Display and Brightness, and adjust the brightness slider. Fix 3. Close crashed app. If your iPhone screen goes black after launching an app, force close it by swiping up. Check the App Store for updates, install any, and restart your iPhone. Fix 4. Force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Fix 5. Use a third-party repair tool like iOS System Recovery. If your iPhone remains unresponsive, there may be an iOS system issue. iOS System Recovery can fix problems without iTunes, resolving DFU mode, recovery mode, or devices that won't turn on without risking data loss. Step 1. Install and launch iOS System Recovery on your computer. Link your iPhone 16 to the computer using a USB cable and choose More Tools, iOS System Recovery on the software interface. Step 2. Choose Standard Mode and the software will start to download the firmware package for your device. This mode won't erase any of your iPhone data. Step 3. Once the information about your iPhone has been accurately detected by the program, click Repair to start the firmware package download procedure. Step 4. When the download is finished and you restart your iPhone, the black screen will have vanished and the issue should have been resolved. Fix 6. Fix iPhone black screen by restoring with iTunes. 1. Install the latest iTunes and connect your iPhone via USB. 2. Enter recovery mode using Force Restart. iTunes will recognize your iPhone and prompt you to restore. 3. Select Restore and keep your device connected. Fix 7. Perform a DFU restore. Connect your iPhone to the computer and open iTunes. Press power for 3 seconds, then volume down for 10 seconds. Release power. Hold volume down for 5 seconds. If the screen is dark, you're in DFU mode. Click OK in iTunes to restore. Fix 8. Contact Apple support.